السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. How are you guys? Ta 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 ta. The whiteboard. I got it. Can you believe? As I told you, I got the whiteboard. Alhamdulillah. My name is Mahmoud. I'm Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to non-native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, you can email me here at ustazmahmoud184@gmail.com. And let's start our lesson. Today, inshallah, we're going to talk about the nominative sentence in Arabic language. Nominative sentence in Arabic language, or as we say in Arabic, الجملة الاسمية. Like that. Repeat after me. الجملة الاسمية. Look carefully. الجملة الاسمية. Not الجملة الاسمية. No, الجملة الاسمية. Okay, and let's see the meaning of الجملة الاسمية. Okay, الجملة الاسمية is جملة تبدأ باسم. الجملة الاسمية جملة تبدأ باسم, which means in English language it's a sentence starts with a noun. That's it. جملة, a sentence, تبدأ, starts, باسم, with a noun. جملة تبدأ باسم. Sentence starts with a noun. Oh, so how we do it? Let's see an example. مثال. 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 مثال means example. مثال means example. Okay, if I said خالد خالد طالب. خالد طالب. What does this sentence mean? Okay, it does mean Khalid is a student. Khalid is a student. Khalid طالب. Khalid طالب. Khalid is a student. And as you see here, it's a sentence. It starts with a noun. اسم. noun. خالد هذا اسم. This is an اسم. And طالب means a student. خالد طالب. Khalid is a student. And you have to know something. There is no is in Arabic language. Okay, we do not have that. So just like you say, Khalid student. خالد طالب. And you can understand this sentence completely. It has a completely meaning. خالد طالب. Let's see another example. Okay, here. Okay. البيت قريب. Okay, البيت قريب. As you see, I am left hand. Okay, أنا أعصر. I'm left hand. أعصر. أنا أعصر. Okay, look here, please. البيت قريب. what does this sentence mean in Arabic language? It means the house is near. البيت قريب. The house is near. Okay, so as you see here, البيت, it's a noun, اسم. والبيت قريب, all of it, it's a sentence, جملة اسمية. So جملة اسمية means, or a nominative case means جملة تبدأ باسم. Okay, جملة starts with a noun. جملة starts with a noun. Okay, do you understand this lesson? Is it easy? Okay, in your homework, inshallah, in your واجب, can you do some sentences for me, جملة اسمية, and you write it in the comments and I will look at it inshallah in the comment. Can you do that? I know you can do it. Okay, so inshallah, that's the end of our lesson today. I hope it's useful for you. If you have any question, please write in the comment and I will reply to you. Don't forget to make dua for me and for my family. Thank you, and I see you in other lessons inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.